Today behind me we have a 2007 Dodge Ram truck we're going to put a complete system into. And on the table in front of me I've got everything laid out that we're going to put in. So I want to show you, going to have this nice Kenwood Apple CarPlay piece here. Very popular item these days to take this nice truck here and modernize it a little bit. Also, we're going to put a backup camera so that every time the guy goes in reverse, he can look at what's going on behind him. Along with this new radio, we're going to put a 5-channel amplifier in today so that we amplify the whole system. Everything sounds really good. Sounds like a premium system that was installed from the factory. We do have a new thing from Kenwood to go into this truck as well. It's a new 6x9 and a 3-inch component set that goes up in the front doors and up in the front dash. So it's 4 speakers all in one. And last but not least, we're going to have a nice Kenwood reference subwoofer that goes behind here in the mega cab portion of this. So it's going to be a real nice complete system that we recommended, and it's all specifically designed just for this truck. We always like to talk about what we have to do to the dash on this to fit like a nice Kenwood double-din Apple CarPlay piece. This particular radio, if you notice, is actually bigger than the radio that's what's in the vehicle now, and then they have this little stock pocket right down here. So there is a modification that takes place to the dash. What happens is this little silver bar here gets cut out, and we have a special dash kit that goes in and covers that whole entire area right there, so it makes it look really nice. And then now that becomes your whole touchscreen area, really modernizes the look of the dash.